What is the difference between Basel III and Basel II recommendations? Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, Basel III focuses on the quality of capital and Basel II focuses on the amount of capital. As per the first paragraph, Basel II focuses on a minimum capital requirement which relates to the amount of capital. So this aspect is true. And the second paragraph also mentions that Basel III focuses on high quality capital. So it is correct to state that Basel III focuses on the quality of bank's capital. So overall, this answer choice can be established. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice B, Basel III enhances the process of risk management. Yes, the second paragraph has a reference to risk management protocols of Basel III. However, the passage doesn't indicate defining risk levels as part of Basel II. Defining risk levels is stated as part of Basel I recommendation. So this answer choice is incorrect. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice C, Basel III considers implementation aspects in developing countries, whereas Basel II considers developed countries. The passage doesn't indicate any difference between Basel III and Basel II on the basis of which type of countries they are catering to. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D, Basel III controls the risk and Basel II widens the risk coverage. The second paragraph mentions that it is Basel III that widens the risk coverage. So it is incorrect to state that Basel III controls the risk rather than widens the risk coverage. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E, Basel III seeks to lower the risk, whereas Basel II seeks to categorize buyers. The passage makes no suggestion regarding Basel II and categorization of buyers based on risk. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. A is the correct answer.